Students, in last video, topic number 4, ratio and proportional, we had seen what is mean by continued proportional. Do you remember continued proportional? If A upon B is equal to B upon C, then we write A, B, C are in continued proportional. Also here we call B as mean proportional of A and C, or we called B as geometrical mean of A and C. Means there are three words you remember, okay? Geometrical mean, continued proportional and mean proportional, okay? And also we had seen some example on it. Now today we will see what is mean by K method in the ratio. We denote ratio by something later. बघा कुठलाही रेशो घेतला आपण इक्वल असेल तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू काहीतरी कॉन्स्टंट येणार आहे ना. त्या कॉन्स्टंट व्हॅल्यूला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण के. ती व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे के. जसं आपण 8वीला बघितले समचलन व्यस्तचलनामध्ये डायरेक्ट व्हेरिएशन आणि इनव्हर्स व्हेरिएशन मध्ये आपण के कॉन्स्टंट घेत होतो ना, प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी कॉन्स्टंट. म्हणजे इथं पण रेशोचं जे आन्सर येणार आहे तो रेशो काहीतरी कॉन्स्टंट येणार आहे. इक्वल रेशो असतो म्हणजे काय, त्याची व्हॅल्यू काहीतरी कॉन्स्टंट येणार आहे, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण के. मस्त काही बघा के मेथड मध्ये इफ we write A upon B is equal to B upon C. If these both ratios are constant, we say is equal to K, then we can write A is equal to and B is equal to. What we can write, see here, means here A upon B is equal to K and B upon C is equal to also K. So here we write A is equal to B into K and B is equal to C into K. Here put the value of B. A is equal to CK into K. That is A is equal to CK square. And value of B is CK. So what is meant by K method? The ratio are equal to some constant. And we denote this constant by K. And then we find the value of A and B. Okay. From this we will do the examples on it. What are the examples we will see today? See the first example. If A upon B is equal to B upon, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then show that 5A minus 3C upon 5B minus 3D is equal to 7A minus 2C upon 7B minus 2D. Here we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS from given condition. Here we had given these both ratios are equal. So we assume these both ratios is equal to K. Let A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to K. Therefore, what is the value of A becomes A is equal to B into K. Okay. And C is equal to D into K. Value of A becomes BK and value of C becomes DK. Now we take LHS. What is the LHS here? 5A minus 3C upon 5B minus 3D. Substitute the values of A and C in that equation, in that LHS. 5. What is the value of A? BK. Minus 3. What is the value of C? DK. Divided by 5. B as it is minus 3D. Okay. Now here observe what is the common here? K. LHS is equal to K into bracket. Here constant common is K. Then what remains? 5B minus 3D divided by 5B minus 3. Now here observe K into multiply आहे इथं. त्यामुळे दोन आपण काय करू शकतो, कॅन्सल करू शकतो का? This get cancelled. Therefore LHS is equal to value is K. We call this as equation number. LHS की value करी आपली K. Now find the value of RHS. First write down RHS. 7A minus 2C upon 7B minus 2B. we have to find the value of RHS. Here 7 as it is, put the value of A. What is the value of A? BK. Minus 2. What is the value of C? DK. Divided by 7B minus 2D. Here observe K is common. Then what remains? 7B minus 2D. Whole divided by 7B minus 2D. Here 7B minus 2D get cancelled. The value is K. Therefore RHS value is also K. Equation number 2. Therefore from equation 1 and 2, observe equation 1 and 2, RHS is same here. दोघांची व्हॅल्यू काय आली? सेम आली काय? LHS आणि RHS ची. Therefore these both are the equal. 5A minus 3C upon 5B minus 3D is equal to 7A minus 2C upon 7B minus 2D. Hence we have 2. Okay. Understand? For example, here put only given ratio as K, write down, and then take A is equal to BK, C is equal to DK. Take RHS, substitute value, then take LHS, substitute value. Both are equal, therefore these both ratios are equal. Okay. Second example, C. If A, B and C are in continued proportional, then show that A plus B bracket square upon AB is equal to B plus C bracket square upon BC. Here what is the condition given? A, B, C are in continued proportional. In last video we had seen what is meant by continued proportional. So here we write first A, B, C are in continued proportional. Therefore from this statement we can write as A upon B is equal to B upon C. Okay. These are continued proportional means A upon B is equal to B upon C. Equal meaning चलेगा. So we assume this ratio as it is equal to K. Both ratios are same. We assume as K. Now calculate the value of A. A is equal to B into K, and B is equal to C into K. So here value of B as it is, and here put value of B as CK. So A is equal to CK. Value of B is CK into K. Therefore A is equal to CK square. Value of A is CK square and value of B is CK. Okay. A, B, C are in continued proportional. Therefore we write A upon B is equal to B upon C. We assume this as K and then find the value of A and B. Okay. Now write our LHS. What is the LHS here given? A plus B bracket square upon AB. Put value. What is the value of A? CK square plus value of B CK and bracket square divided by value of A CK square into value of B CK. Means here observe C is common and K is common. Therefore I write here CK common. What remains? K plus here what? 1 bracket square. See here C is common first and K square and K मतलब काय common येणार आहे K. Here remains K plus here CK is common, then remains 1. कुछ ऐसा कोण कोएफिशिएंट आपण काय लिहू शकतो? मल्टीप्लाय बाय 1 लिहू शकतो ना. आणि हिचा स्क्वेअर आहे म्हणून स्क्वेअर दिला. Here C into C, C square, K square into K, K cube. Means here we write C square, CK square means C square, K square. K plus 1 bracket square divided by C square K cube. C square get cancel, K square and K cube. 1 K remains only. Okay. Means answer is K plus 1 bracket square upon K. LHS value is k plus 1 bracket square upon k. Okay, understand LHS? Now RHS. What is the RHS? B plus C bracket square upon BC. What is the value of B? CK plus C as it is bracket square upon what is the value of B? CK into this C as it is. Now here observe, C is common. C is common here. So what remains? K plus 1 and whole square divided by C into C, C square K. C square K plus 1 bracket square upon C square K. C square get cancel. Therefore RHS is K plus 1 bracket square upon K. Here this we call as equation number 1 and this we call as equation number 2. Also equation 1 and 2 same. Okay, from equation 1 and 2 LHS and RHS are same. Therefore what is the LHS? A plus B bracket square upon AB is equal to RHS is B plus C bracket square upon BC. Hence we had proved. Okay. Now see the third example here. If A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square, then show that A, B, C are in continued proportional. मगाचे दोन एक्झाम्पल पेक्षा वेगळा आहे की जरा अधिक. मग पहिल्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय दिलं? A upon B is equal to C upon D दिलं. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल मध्ये A, B, C are in continued proportional दिलं. पण इथं का प्रूव्ह काय करायचं आपल्याला? A, B, C are in continued proportional. A, B, C are in continued proportional म्हणजे काय प्रूव्ह करायचं सांगा बघूया. A, B, C are in continued proportional म्हणजे आपली काय प्रूव्ह करायला लागेल? A upon B is equal to B upon C. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करावं लागणार. म्हणजेच काय? क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय केला आपण काय आहे? B square is equal to AC. We have to show A, B, C are in continued proportional means we have to prove A upon B is equal to B upon C. That is means B square is equal to AC. तिन्हीचा अर्थ एकच आहे ना. A, B, C कंटिन्यू प्रोपोर्शनल मध्ये आहेत म्हणजेच काय? A upon B is equal to B upon C. म्हणजेच काय? B square is equal to AC. म्हणजे आता कुठलेही एक प्रूव्ह केलं तर तेच प्रूव्ह होणार आहे. अर्थ कळाला? मग दिलेली कंडिशन काय आहे ती घेऊ आपण. What is given here? A plus given that A plus B plus C, A minus B plus C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. We had given it. Okay. Now here simplify this. First multiply with A into bracket, A minus B plus C. Multiply with B into bracket, A minus B plus C. Multiply with C into bracket, A minus B plus C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Question number 2. Now multiply A into A square plus minus A into B A into C AC. Here multiply with B into A AB plus minus B into B B into C BC plus C into A AC plus minus CB means BC plus C into C square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Now here observe काय cancel होते का बघा. plus AB minus AB. Then plus BC minus BC. नहीं AC plus plus है. क्या होगा नहीं? What remains? C. A square minus B square plus C square. AC plus AC plus 2AC is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Now observe here. A square cancel होईल here. हा A square इकडे काय होणार आहे minus A square. Then C square also get cancelled. इथे plus इकडे काय होणार आहे minus. So what remains here? Minus B square plus 2AC is equal to B square. Now collect like term 2AC as it is B square. या B square इकडे क्या होना है plus B square. Therefore 2AC is equal to B square plus B square 2B square. 2 get cancelled. Therefore AC is equal to B square. That is B square is equal to AC. And what is meant by B square is equal to AC? A, B, C are in continued proportion. This implies, therefore, A, B, C are in continued proportional. Okay, understand? This implies A, B, C are in continued proportional. दिलंय जरा वेगळ्या पद्धतीने लक्ष लगा बघा गिवन वेगळा आहे तू काय करायचं आहे A, B, C are in continued proportional. Continued proportion मध्ये आहे म्हणजे काय A upon B is equal to B upon C or B square is equal to A into C हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. मग यावर आपण दिलेल्या गोष्टीवरून काय केलं सिम्प्लिफाय करत गेलं आपल्याला काय मिळालं B square is equal to AC. That is means A, B, C are in continued proportional. Okay. See one more example. It is also different from previous 3 examples. 5 numbers are in continued proportional. The first term is 5 and last term is 18. Find the numbers. Here we are given 5 numbers are in continued proportional. If I write 3 numbers are in continued proportional. कसं लिहितोय आपण 3 numbers continued proportional मध्ये A upon B is equal to B upon C. म्हणजे ह्या रेशो काय येतोय K कॉन्स्टंट येतोय का A upon B is equal to काय यायला पाहिजे K यायला पाहिजे. मग आपण त्या दोघांचा रेशो म्हणजे दुसरा डिवाइडेड बाय काय करतोय आपण पहिला करतोय का A B C हे नंबर मांडले तर A upon B लिहितोय ना आपण लिहितोय का मग तो काय यायला पाहिजे कॉन्स्टंट यायला पाहिजे. मग आपण हे 5 नंबर काय म्हणूया लेट द नंबर्स इन कंटिन्यूड प्रपोर्शनल काय म्हणूया बघा let the numbers in continued proportional are AK square, AK cube and AK raised to बघा असं मानत चालेल का हे कंटिन्यू प्रपोर्शनल मध्ये आहेत का बघा हे कंटिन्यू प्रपोर्शनल मध्ये येतील का हे कंटिन्यू प्रपोर्शनल मध्ये आहेत का आहेत हा इथे काय ना त्यांचा रेशो काय येतोय के येतोय का बघा या दोघांचा रेशो के येतोय या दोघांचा के येतोय या दोघांचा के these let the numbers these numbers are in continued proportional. Okay, now from given condition what is the given condition here? First term is 5 which is the first term here A and last term is 80. What is the last term here? A k raised to 4 is equal to 80. Okay, so here value of A is 5 and we have to find the numbers. Okay, now put the value of A here 5 into k raised to 4 is equal to 80. Therefore k raised to 4 is equal to 80 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 remains 3 5 6 are. Therefore k raised to 4 is equal to 60. k raised to 4 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली 16. हा 16 हा कुणाचा चौथा घातांक आहे बघा 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So we write this as k raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 4. Therefore, what is the value of k? Taking fourth root on both sides. Therefore, value of k is 2 and value of a is 5. Okay, understand? Numbers काय म्हणले आपण a, ak, ak square, ak cube, ak raised to 4. From given condition we write first number is 5 and last number is 80. Here put the value of a and simplify we get k value 2. We have to find the numbers. Therefore, the required numbers are what are the required number? First number is a. What is the a? 5. Second number is ak, means 5 into 2, 10. Third number is ak square, means 5 into 2 square, 5 into 4, 20. Fourth one, ak cube, 5 into 2 cube, 5 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 40. And last one is ak raised to 4, 5 into 2 raised to 4, 5 into 16 is equal to 8. Therefore, the numbers are 5, 10, 20, 40 and 80. Okay, understand? प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल मध्ये थोडा थोडा बदल करून दिलेला आहे. त्यानंतर तुम्ही ते काय चेंज केले ते लक्षात ठेवून सोडवायचं आहे. फिफ्थ एक्झाम्पल, इफ a b c d are in proportional, then prove that root a square plus 5c square upon b square plus 5d square is equal to a upon d. चेंज करा, फक्त इथे काय आले रूट साइन आले, एवढंच चेंज आहे. बाकीचं वरचं आहे कसं आहे ना, a b c d are in proportional. a b c d are in proportional. So we write as these are in proportional means we write a upon b is equal to c upon d. कंटिन्यू प्रोपोर्शनल आणि नुसतं प्रोपोर्शनल मध्ये फरक आहे. नुसतं प्रोपोर्शनल मध्ये म्हटलं की a upon b is equal to c upon d येणार आहे. and a b c d are in continuous proportional मध्ये म्हटलं तर काय येणार आहे, a upon b is equal to b upon c is equal to c upon d. दोन्ही मध्ये फरक आहे, लक्षात का? नुसतं प्रोपोर्शनल वेगळं आणि कंटिन्यूअस प्रोपोर्शनल म्हणजे छेद पहिल्या रेषेचा सेकंड टर्म आणि दुसऱ्या रेषेची फर्स्ट टर्म सेम येणार आहे कंटिन्यूअस प्रोपोर्शनल. ओके, इथे नुसतं काय दिलंय प्रोपोर्शनल. सो वी राइट दिस एज k. Therefore, what is the value of a here? A is equal to bk and c is equal to d. Value of a and b we get. Okay, now take LHS. What is the LHS here? Root a square plus 5c square upon b square plus 5c square. Means here root, what is the value of a? bk and square, therefore bk square plus 5. What is the value of c? dk square upon b square as it is plus 5d square also as it is. Therefore LHS becomes c in the root, take square, bk bracket square means b square k square plus 5d square k square divided by b square plus 5d square. Now observe what is common in numerator. Numerator मध्ये कॉमन काय आहे k square into bracket b square plus 5d square whole divided by b square plus 5d square. Here it is multiplied, so it get cancelled. Okay, multiply असल्यामुळे ते कॅन्सल करू शकतो. What remains? Root k square. And what is the value of root k square? Root k square means k. We call it as equation number 1. Now take RHS. What is the RHS? A upon B. What is the value of A? Bk upon B. B get cancelled. Answer is k. RHS is k. From equation 1 and 2, we write from equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. That is root a square plus 5c square upon b square plus 5d square is equal to a upon b. अंडरस्टँड. रूट मध्ये फक्त रूट मध्ये असताना व्यवस्थित रूट चिन्ह द्या. काय काय कॉमन आहे ते व्यवस्थित बाहेर काढा. आणि के स्क्वेअर स्क्वेअर रूट काय येणार आहे? के. So students, in this video we had seen the K method and example on the K method. Here the topic 4 is completed. In this topic we had learned, take revision of that points. First we had learned what is meant by ratio and proportional. Then we had seen properties of ratio. That means finding ratio of first to second, second to first number. Also we had seen percentage. Percentage कसं काढायचं बघितलेलं आहे. Then we had seen comparison of ratios. How to compare ratios we had seen. Next point we had seen is operation on equal ratios. That we had seen componendo, dividendo, invertendo, alternando and componendo, dividendo. Then we had seen theorem on equal ratios and examples on it. And in last video, continued proportional, mean proportional or geometrical mean and examples. And today we had seen K method and example on it. You remember all these? Okay. So today's your homework is try to solve practice set 4.5 and also solve examples in the problem set 4.